Welcome back. Time for news from overseas. CBS News has said it is shutting down its radio service after nearly 100 years in a fresh round of layoffs. The editor-in-chief and president announced on Friday that the service is expected to end on May 22, affecting more than 700 affiliate stations. They said employees will be notified by the end of the day if their job has been affected. U.S. media report that cuts could impact about 6% of its workforce, or more than 60 people. The executives said parts of the newsroom must get smaller to make room for the things that must build to remain competitive. And tributes have been pouring in from around the world to the U.S. martial artist and Hollywood action star Chuck Norris, who died at the age of 86. Swedish actor and martial artist Dolph Lundgren, who starred alongside Norris, said he always looked up to him as a role model, while U.S. actor Sylvester Stallone said Norris was all-American in every way. Norris was known for his roles in the 1990s action crime series Walker, Texas Ranger, and the 1972 martial arts film The Way of the Dragon, fighting superstar Bruce Lee. His family announced his death in a statement posted on Instagram.